Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're gonna make some Jamaican sweet and sour pork, and this basically started out missing some ingredients, but eventually we got it there and it tasted wonderful. So let me know if you try, like, comment, and always share. Subscribe as well, guys. Right, so we have 3 pounds of pork, and I asked for the lean and skin part of the pork, no bone, because I'm gonna go ahead and do a sweet and sour style pork. Just gonna rinse my meat with some vinegar just to remove some of that rawness from the meat, and some fresh water. Pork, I'm gonna add some Maggi pork and ginger. I'm gonna add this entire packet to this. And guys, I normally put in fresh ginger in this, even though I put my pork and ginger, but I just checked, I have no ginger, so we're gonna make it work. This I got, I think this was some pepper and some other seasoning that came in this, but I've mixed in this jerk seasoning and the all-purpose seasoning. All right. Gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit, and this is free flow salt, guys, and a little bit of seasoning salt. And as you can see, this isn't the regular seasoning salt, guys. This isn't the white one, the MSG. This is, got this from my grandma, my auntie. All right, so that is it for the powdered seasoning, guys, and we're gonna add fresh seasonings to this. All right, so in this now, guys, we have scallion, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and onions. Yeah, sweet pepper as well. So we're just gonna combine this together. We're not gonna be adding any browning, any curry, anything to this. We're just gonna allow this to marinate and get happy together for, well, overnight is preferred, a couple of hours. But guys, can I tell you, if it is that you wanted to cook this like immediately, you can. All you do is to ensure that you cook it, you're cooking everything together. So you're trying to infuse all of the flavor in here with the heat into the meat, so you get that taste. That's how you actually do it, to get the taste like it has been marinating overnight when you just season and cook. Yeah. And a lot of person, they can't tell. I can tell you, they can't tell. Okay, they can't. Oh. All right, so that's our pork being happy and merry. Just gonna go ahead and wash my hands, and then we're gonna season our chicken. All right, this is some ground ginger and some garlic. And guys, I'm gonna freestyle this pork today because I don't have any egg powder. I can't believe I don't have any egg powder, but yeah, so let's see what turns out, right? So in here I have some ground ginger and I have some garlic. As I said, we're just freestyling the pork. Don't know what I'm making, and it's gonna taste great. Nothing wrong if you get some of the scallion and stuff, the seasoning in there. All the better, more flavor. Guys, this is hot. Hot. So this is all the pork in the pot, and this is 2.5 pounds of pork. Guys, I haven't put any sugar in this to brown it, because then I would know what I'm doing with pork. So let's see what happens. I'm curious today, and we're gonna have a taste test at the end. Alright, trusting the package, guys. That's sturdy. No, I don't have any soya sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some browning, add some vinegar, some sugar, some water, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to this. Alright, so I have some water, and that's just the seasoning from the pork I was stirring a while ago. So I'm adding some ketchup, not a lot. I want this to be really thin. I may have to make more, depending. Not a lot of browning either. A little bit of lime juice. And a little bit of vinegar. I've already added some ginger powder to the oil, and I did season with Maggi, pork and ginger, but I'm gonna test it a little later to see if it needs a little bit more ginger, because it's gonna turn out into some ginger garlic pork or something like that, right guys? So that's where I'm aiming with this. Alright, so the ketchup, and you're just gonna stir this around. Alright, I'm gonna add that to the pork. Oops, guys. But let me add some sugar. About that amount of sugar, and that's about a teaspoon. It's not a lot of sugar, guys. Let's see what we make of this dish. But I'm excited. Alright. Wow! Alright guys, so I've added some egg powder. Got some egg powder, so I added it. So I didn't like the color of it before. So now that I've added the egg powder, I'm gonna go ahead. I've also added some fresh scotch bonnet, some carrots, some sweet pepper, some cucumber, and a piece of thyme. And I'm gonna allow this to simmer for another about 10 minutes. And the pork will be ready. So off camera, guys, I also added some more ketchup to the sauce, and also I got some fresh ginger, which I also grated and added to the sauce, and that is what kind of transformed this to the sweet and sour sauce kind of taste, and the egg powder of course gave it that look. That's the finished pork, guys. Delicious taste, delicioso. Mwah. Mwah.